Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Westborough Jeep, well, Albrecht Westborough Jeep in Westborough, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 4xe. This is actually my second time filming this video because I forgot to take the lens cover off the GoPro. So there was a 8-minute 50 review of absolutely nothing. So for 2024, new front fascia, new rims, which have in the 4xe, a little blue old Willys Jeep. Charging, there it is. So they have a little Easter egg of a Jeep rock crawling. In the windshield, you have a gorilla down in that lower left corner. So pretty darn cool. 65465 sticker, black clear coat over black interior, sustainable premium cloth seats, 2-liter inline 4 turbo, mated to the 4xe battery system, black 3-piece hardtop, right? Or is it 4? Yeah, 3-piece hardtop. Running pretty low on fuel, so we're gonna make this one a little bit quicker. Do have the Jeep Wave system or logo when you do the backup camera, so that's pretty cool. Window switches are in the middle, that way if the doors are off you can roll the windows up and down. Make that joke every single time. So I think at this point it's starting to get a little old. There's something so unique about Wranglers. They are just so much fun to drive in completely different ways as sports cars. Sports cars, it's all about power and speed and all of that. This is all about just kind of having fun, cruising down the coast with the roof off, you know, going down a dirt back road, even using 1/10 of this thing's potential. It's just fun. Into this industrial park, we'll test the turning circle. It's actually really impressive. You have max regen enabled, 3 main drive modes. You have hybrid, electric, which saves fuel for later use, but I'm running low on both. And then we're e-save, which is going to save the battery for later use. So basically you have a combination, no gas and no battery. Obviously if you floor it, it's going to give you peak power in both modes. So it's not like you have to think, oh, okay, I can't floor it. I can't be in this mode because it's not going to give me peak power. It's going to give you peak power no matter what you do if you request it. And yes, I know this is likely going to be a quicker video. I don't have enough fuel and I don't want to do the full loop twice. So yeah, theoretically I could just gas up, but I will say that the transmission's really good about switching between electric and gas power. There's no major jolts or anything like that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.